My mom loves to garden, but she's always on vacation and they always just end up not surviving. So when I came across this hydroponic kit set, I knew I had to get this for her. So I just wanted to show you the box and everything that it comes with because this is really exciting. So this is what it's going to look like. You can have 108 different plant sites. So basically just the little pots for the plants, and it's going to be 3 layers. And it's all the like food grade PVC piping, which is really nice. And then it comes with a pump as well. I'm assuming, yeah, so the pump is in here. But the nice thing about the pump, it's also on a timer. So you've got your water pump. Sorry, I keep saying pump, but it's a water pump and you have that timer. So it will actually do it for you. So that for me was the most important thing for my mom, just because she's not going to be here to be able to actually like water all the plants. So you've got all of your tubing as well for the pipes. And then these, of course, are just like all the, wow, this is like super nice, heavy duty, thick. And then these right here are all going to pop into each other. And it also comes with the little, the pots that the food soil that you're going to put your seed inside. So it doesn't come with the seeds. What you're planting is completely up to you, but you are going to get the little pots that you're going to put that in. And then obviously they're going to, once they germinate, they're going to grow in there. And then, yeah, you're just going to have yourself this amazing hydroponic garden. As I said, 3 layers, 108 different pots. The possibilities are endless.